Hi there, it's Dr. Tansavatdi, and I'm here to talk to you about my skincare philosophy. One of the things that I really want to stress is the importance of skincare in your overall skin health as well as beauty. Your face is an asset, and I will tell you right now that I think a lot of patients that I see on a regular basis could actually have prevented some of the damage, the sun damage, and the aging changes if they started early with some good skincare. So let me tell you a little bit about my skincare philosophy, because it will make a huge difference if you're in your 20s and 30s now, or even in your 40s. You can hold off on some of the anti-aging surgeries and procedures that are really costly if you really listen to what I have to say today. So one of the things I want to start off with is talking about sunscreen. I know that a lot of people spend tons of money on skincare every year. That's a big industry. However, we're spending on things that maybe make our skin smoother, maybe take away the texture, but those are after the sun damage has been done. So really, it's all about prevention. I'm sure you've heard it already with health. If you go to your doctor, they're talking about how can you prevent high blood pressure? How can you prevent getting a heart attack? All these things are also relatable to your skin health. So how can you prevent skin cancer? How can you prevent aging changes to your face? Well, the first thing is really sunscreen. That's going to prevent the sun damage from affecting your skin before we need to treat it at all. So the basics of my foundation of skincare is really starting with the sunscreen first, okay, to prevent the sun damage first from causing any changes to your skin. After the sun damage has already occurred, then we need to do some measures to treat it. So when I leave the house every morning, before I even leave the house, wash my face, put on a nice moisturizer. I do put also a vitamin C underneath, which is an antioxidant, so it scavenges for free radicals. And then on top of that vitamin C, I put a sunscreen before I leave the house every morning. That's something that you should follow through with and put into your normal daily habits and daily routine, and it will become something that will protect you for the long run. So after sunscreen, what do we need for our skin? The second most important thing is vitamin A. If you can remember anything that I say today, those two products should be the basic of all of your skincare regimen. So vitamin A, there's many formats to take to use the vitamin A. I will say that retinol is much easier for your skin. That's what I use for my skin, and it doesn't cause you to have a lot of flakiness or dryness to your skin. Vitamin A also comes in a retinoic acid cream. Now that's the active ingredient that you need for your skincare, but the retinol does get transferred into retinoic acid once it gets through your skin. The retinoic acid by itself, though, being an active ingredient, because it's an acid, it will dry your skin. So you're going to have more skin flaking, you're going to have more skin irritation. So really it depends on what you can tolerate. Of course, retinoic acid cream would be the gold standard, but I recommend people start off with retinol first so you can test out your skin and see how you tolerate it. If you tolerate it, then we stepwise get you up that ladder up to a retinoic acid cream. Just like if you were to go into the gym, the first workout you do, you don't want to push yourself too hard, because otherwise you won't come back to the gym. You want to start off baby steps. And so that's the same thing that I do with my philosophy on skincare. We'll start you off with the retinol and then grow your strength, your skin care health, and strength with these products to where you can tolerate the retinoic acid cream, which is better for your skin in the long run. And then the last part of this, I'm not going to go through all these because this top part is great, but it's like the topping of an ice cream cone, it's the sprinkles. It's great to have, but it's not the most potent, not the most important for your skincare. So I will tell you that the next thing, like I said, I mentioned just a couple minutes ago, was vitamin C. So why vitamin C? It is a natural ingredient that's needed to create collagen in our skin. And we all know what's creating those wrinkles on our face as we get older is the sun damage, plus it's the loss of collagen as we get older. Just like we lose bone strength, we lose the product in our bones that cause our bones to thin. The same thing happens with our skin. We lose collagen, and it precipitously drops after our 20s and 30s. So the way to really promote that collagen back is to use vitamin A and vitamin C. They work hand in hand to stimulate that new collagen that you need. And also I see that as great ingredients before surgery. So before a facelift, combining those two can make the skin so much healthier that after the surgery, patients actually heal quicker with those two ingredients being used before surgery. All right, so I think I kind of elaborated a little bit about those products. I will tell you that vitamin A is a very, very important ingredient that everybody should use no matter what your age. And I've listed a little bit of why it's important. I'll probably go into more detail in another video, so please stay tuned and check out our video gallery, because I will have more and more information about each of these products in more detail. Thank you for tuning in.